Okay guys, welcome back. Let's continue. So manifest is covered. You understood now what does manifest mean? It's clear. Now we'll move to descriptor. What does descriptor means? Okay, let me once again go back to the program files hierarchy. This is a simple J2EE application built within this web folder. Within this web inf, you will see this glassfish hyphen web. This is a descriptor file, so we can see that all these are also XML files, isn't it? Yeah, exactly. So descriptor files basically contains the basic configuration of the file. Remember, manifest only contains the functionality. Manifest can be changed by user, but descriptor is not usually changed by user. In descriptor, basically it's automatically created. So most of the time manifest is also automatically created, but it can be overridden by, it can be changed by the user. Okay, in web descriptor we basically talk about the configuration. So if there are configuration new which is needed, if we need to change the configuration, then we can definitely change the values in the web descriptor, but that's all we can do. So remember, keep a copy of the generated servlet class. It's automatically created descriptor and it contains configuration, whereas manifest contains services and functionalities of the J2EE application. Now the last thing, archives. So you might be wondering, what the hell does archives means now? Definitely we have three kinds of archives. Okay, yeah, good. The first one is Java archive. You see over here, this one. So this is a simple, when we develop a simple core Java application, its extension is jar. When we develop Java application which runs on internet, that extension is var. WAR. I call it war, isn't it? So basically it offers higher degree of compression compared to jar. Then JAR or jar, whatsoever you call it, guys. Then we have even the third one, which is enterprise archive. You see over here, this one. Okay, yeah. So we have this enterprise archives, and using it we create J2EE application. Let me continue ahead. So remember over here I told you regarding multi-tiered application, we develop multi-tiered application. The answer to this question will be answered now. So have a look. In the 1990s, guys, what actually happens is that, suppose your PC is a client and my PC is a server. Okay, yeah. Well, this Mozilla browser will take a slight time to get open. Let it get open. Cool. So over here, not over here, it's important. Let me specify it in the separate tab. Or suppose in your PC you typed 1 meter equals to. Okay. Now suppose the answer so your computer has asked the question, what is 1 meter equals to? Okay, in centimeter. It will be, the question will be sent to my server. Okay. So now suppose this is at my server. Now you are looking, this is my PC, okay, and it is a server. Over here 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. Answer will be calculated. Okay, yeah, 10 meter equals to 1000 centimeter, like that. So now what will happen is that this whole software, you see, this whole KLC will be sent to your PC. So your PC was in this state, I guess. So simply like over here So basically in your PC that calci will be installed, and then the answer will be calculated, and what we get is 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. Remember guys, the software is being downloaded by your browser and is run, and then the answer which we got is displayed at the client PC. Okay, and then afterwards that software is deleted. Basically this is what actually happens in the 1990s. So it is a two tier, isn't it? But now what happens is that using J2EE I can do it like this. I say 1 meter, suppose you type now 1 meter equals to, and this question goes to the server, which is my PC. Yeah, the program is executed on my server rather than at the client. Okay, yeah, the answer 100, only answer is sent to the client, not the software. So you see the client only needs to download the answer. So this has dramatically increased the speed of the internet, everything, isn't it? Now it was just between a client and server. What about multiple client? In the 1990s, a server needs to sell the multiple copies of the same software to the multiple clients just to get a single answer. But now the server only needs to send the answer, not a software. That's a multi-tiered system actually, and J2EE supports it. So in the 1990s we have a fat client. This poses a question to the server. Over here the software according to the question is sent to the client, and over here the software is run, answer is generated, and the software is deleted. Now today enterprise application use the multi-tier model. This is a 3-tier. Okay, we can have 4-tier 2, 3 and 5-tier 2, and the list goes on. Now we have a thin client rather than fat because the program doesn't execute over here, so it's simply a small one. We have a middle tier which is business logic, services, all this, and we have a third tier which is server and data. The question is sent over here according to this database and the program. The value is generated and the answer is sent back to the client. Only answer, not a software. So that's regarding components. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe guys. We'll talk about J2EE components next.